Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Jafar and a very warm welcome back to our YouTube channel SKH Business Institute. So friend, today in this video I am going to talk about an important topic for English beginners. How to think in English. That is most important. There are many friends I have and there are many students I have and there are many people always ask me, Jafar, how can I speak English fluently and naturally? I always say my answer is simple. Before speaking in English, first first learn to think in English. That is most important. Most learners first think in Hindi and then translate into English. This process takes time and create mistakes. If you want to speak English confidently and naturally, the first you must train your mind to think directly in English. That is most important. Okay, today I will share with you 5 techniques. Today I will share with you 5 techniques. I guarantee these 5 techniques will help you to think in English and to speak in English. So please watch this video till the end and let's get started. Okay. And the number one technique is stop translating every sentences. So my friend, keep in mind the number one technique is stop translating every sentences. Okay. The first step is to stop translating. For example, you know when you see a chair, let's take the example, when you see a chair and don't speak Hindi, यह kursi hai, speak in English, this is a chair. When you see a book and when you see a laptop, think in English. Okay, don't speak Hindi and start speaking in English. Okay, this is my book and this is my laptop, this is a laptop and this is a book. Okay, when you see a car and think in English, that is a car and that is my car. Okay, this is most important. And try to connect object. No, please keep in mind, try to connect object with English words. That is most important. Try to connect object directly with English word. That is most important. Okay, and the technique number second, is talk to yourself in English. That is most important. So my friend, this is technique number 2 is most important. Talk to yourself in English. The second technique is to speak to yourself in English. For example, you know, when you get up early in the morning, for example, first always tell yourself, I am good person. Okay, this is a small sentence you can speak. I am good person and I am confident person. Okay, I'm confident person and I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth and I am getting ready for work. Okay, you can speak this kind of sentence, and while eating breakfast you can speak English. This food is delicious and I am drinking tea and I am drinking water. Okay, I am feeling hungry. So my friend, these simple habits trains your brain to think in English throughout the day. So please keep in mind, these simple habits trains your brain to think in English throughout the day. So friend, the third technique is described everything around you. So friend, the third technique is described everything around you. The third step is to describe your surrounding. Look at your room and describe everything. For example, in my room, there is a table near the window and there is a laptop on the table and there are many books on the table. Okay, you can speak whatever things in your room, you can speak each and everything. And pick up one object and speak on this object. Okay, this is a glass and this is made of paper and the size will be maybe an 8 centimeter, and there are many colors, and there is a watermelon and there is a lemon and there is a strawberry. No, you can speak English, but start speaking. Keep in mind, start speaking. Observe. you know for example, I am sitting in my room and there are many things in my room. For example, board and camera and books and comb and board and watch and sunglasses and laptop and mouse and keyboard. There are many things you can speak English. Okay, but start speaking. Friends, when you are traveling and think the road is busy and there many people are walking and the weather is pleasant today, You can speak like that. And the weather is pleasant today, and today's weather is good, and I'm feeling good. You can speak like that. And so friends, the more you observe and the more you describe, the faster your thinking becomes. So please keep in mind. Okay, so friends, the technique number 4 is, learn English phrases, not just one words. Learn English phrases, not just one words. Many students memorize it. Many students memorize it individual words, but that's not good thing. Instead of learn complete phrases, they learn small words, but that's not true. For example, instead of hungry, instead of learning only hungry, learn I am hungry. And second, instead of learning only busy, learn I am busy today. And third, instead of learning agree, only agree, learn I am agree with you. Okay, so that is most important. You can learn phrases. We have mindset, we can learn each and everything. Okay, phrases is most important. If you want to speak English, if you are beginners, you need to learn phrases. Okay, friends, when you learn phrases, your mind can think faster and speak naturally. So please keep in mind. Hello friends, the technique number 5th is speak and listen and read every day. So my friend, speak, listen and read every day. Last but not least, speak, read and listen every day. The 5th step is to daily exposure in English is most important. Read English books and reads magazine and articles and newspaper, and listen to English podcast and speech and motivational videos, and there are many things you can listen whatever you want. Okay, this is the most important thing. Okay, so friends, when you hear listen every day, your brain start copying and sentence pattern automatically, and after some time you will notice that that English thought comes naturally and without translation. You can speak English. So to conclude is that thinking English is a habit, and every habit, it takes time to develop. So please keep in mind. If you like this video, share this video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.